Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kuti, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture, we will discuss paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron and magnetic properties of rare earth ion and iron group of ion with graphical representation. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss crystal field and quenching of orbital angular momentum. The relation fit well the many paramagnetic crystal include the material containing ion of rare earth group. Deviation do occur behavior. These are due to the fact that energy level system and the state of ion in the crystal are not necessarily the sum of these are free ion. The main reason for these crystal are paramagnetic ion surrounded by the other ion with which it will be interact. In particular, the neighboring ion, whether magnetic or not, will steal the electrically charged, and these are created an inhomogeneous electric field in the neighborhoods of the paramagnetic ion with which are considering. These are often called as crystal field. The interaction of paramagnetic ion with the crystal field have two major constants. The coupling L and S are largely broken up so that states are not longer specified by the J value. Further, the 2L plus 1 sub-level belonging to given L which degenerated in the free ion may now split up by the crystal field. The splitting decreases contribution of orbital motion of magnetic moment for ion of the iron transition group. The comparison equation with experimental from satisfactory. The reason for that the ion group ground state ion are in crystal is very different from that free ion. This is because partly filled electron shell which are responsible for producing magnetic moment in outermost 3D shell of this ion. It is therefore very strongly influenced by the crystal field. The interaction is some strong that the orbital angular moment of electron in the 3D shell is very often reduced to zero. This does not mean electron no longer in circular the nucleus, rather that they will be traveling around the often is one sense, or in the other sense this effect will be L average to zero turn quenching of the orbital angular moment, and it means that when ion is in crystal there is no orbital magnetic moment. In quenching of the crystal hardly interact with the spin, hence the spin magnetic moment still exists. Therefore, while calculating the susceptibility of the basic equation we must be J and S. Let us now considering Ni 2 plus ion. If put S is equal to 1, L is equal to 3 and J is equal to 4, G become G is equal to 1 plus J bracket J plus 1 plus S bracket S plus 1 bracket complete minus L bracket L plus 1 upon 2J bracket J plus 1 bracket complete. Now put this value S is equal to 1, L is equal to 3 and J is equal to 4 in this equation. We will get 1 plus 4 into 5 plus 2 minus 3 into 4 upon 2 into 4 into 5. Now 1 plus 20 plus 2 minus 12 upon 14. 1 plus 10 upon 14. Now 1.25. Now C is equal to G square J into J plus 1 bracket N mu square B upon 3 kBT. Put this value G 1.25 square into 4 into 5. Now get 31.3 in unit of n mu square b upon 3 kBt. If J is replaced by S, then J is equal to S is equal to 1, L is equal to 0. Now G is equal to 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 upon 2 into 2. Now 1 plus 1 gives 2. Thus C is equal to G square G plus 1 into bracket n mu square b upon 3 kBt, that is 4 in bracket 1 plus 1, that is 8 in unit of n mu square b upon 3 kBt. This value will be agree with experimental value of 9.1. Now in this lecture we will discuss crystal field and quenching of the orbital in angular momentum. Thank you so much.